How to clear the RAM cache in Windows 11. Open the Task Manager. Once it's opened, navigate to the Performance tab. Then click on the RAM section. Here you can monitor your RAM usage. If you notice it's running high, clearing the cache can help. If you restart your computer, basically it will clear the RAM. However, if you want to do this process without actually having restart, then open your browser, go to Google, search RAM map, click on this link. Find the download RAM map link, then click on it. After downloading the zip file, extract it. Then open the software. Click Yes. Now click on Agree. After open the RAM map, click on Empty tab. Then click on Empty Standby List. See, the RAM cache has been refreshed. And that's how you can clear the RAM cache in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.